it's recorded. This is our own private island that we had lunch on today.
Are you recording now?
Yeah. And Jason's walking first so that I don't get bitten by a snake. But he's leaving me. And he said it's the second person that always gets bitten by the rattlesnake anyway. Which is so not funny. Apparently this is the island a lot of people like to camp on. And we'll show you why in just a few minutes. Besides that it's beautiful, we'll show you the evidence we found. That's part of the evidence of camping left. What's that?
A piece of china. I have no idea how old it is. But it is.
It might be a week old.
A piece of china.
Might be Chinette.
Set it right down the stump.
Oh, it's pretty china.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like our everyday china.
Think of the money that could have been saved.
Ha ha.
A lot like the Vietnam scene where Forrest got shot in the buttocks.
There's the survivor setup over there. What'd you call it, Jason? The top thing that they made. A lean-to.
Yeah.
Obviously somebody's been camping. Because we have this built. And the campfire.
Well.
So we found a new camping spot.
Maybe.
Maybe. That'd be great to wake up to though under here, Jason. Put a tarp.
Perhaps. Yeah, that probably would hold a tarp up. As long as it doesn't fill up with water. I was going to bring the guys a couple of sheets of tin just to lay over it, you know. So
Then you could hear the rain.
yeah, that'd be sweet. But yeah, all palm trees blowing like that, that'd be awesome.
Shall we continue our journey back to the boat?
Sure.
I'm still taping. Another fire pit. They do need to clean up their trash next time. I hear a boat in the distance. And there's our boat.
Watch where you step down there.
Ew.
Big dog, apparently.
Is that the one that gave us lots of wake earlier?
No. That was a whaler. This one's a fountain.
And you can't see our picnic spot, but it's over this way. Okay.
Step down on those roots.
I need help.
Still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Alright, goat.
Oh, wet. Is he stuck?
No.
Oh.
Sitting there going, man, them people are parked where I wanted to park.
All right, say bye, Jason.
Bye, Jason.